Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Callsim. Got myself the OnePlus 15R. Thank you, OnePlus, to try this out. I've been liking the OnePlus 15. It has been really a games device for me. I've been using it for my pastimes and everything, killing time at work. So it's been great. So, but do I need that top of the line? Me, I do. I like to have that top of the line, but maybe you don't, and you want to save a few bucks. There's a little bit of some savings you can have with a 15 R that you have little sacrifices on the top of the line to save you some money. Let's take a look at what this has on the inside. Now, this is a pretty cool case it came with. It's a magnetic case, so that tells me you can have wireless charging, which is usually something they don't have in the R versions. Maybe it's just to hold it. I don't know. We'll find out. But I didn't get one for my 15, and I'm kind of missing a case, and it's too bad that won't just fit. Well, let's see what's in the box. Quick start guide, probably a SIM puller. Oh, a USB-C to A adapter. That's pretty neat. Okay, so you got that. What else we got in the box? We'll look at the phone in a second. And we've got, is it going to be Super VOOC? Super VOOC charger in the box. This is, I mean, honestly, almost for that alone, these phones are definitely worth it. I mean, you can talk spec, you can talk, there's a few dollars savings between the OnePlus lines and any of the flagship, but the fact they're still carrying their proprietary charger in the box to get that fast charging is going to be what I think should sell it for anybody out there. So let's take a look. Let's open this up. Let's see. Okay. OnePlus. I'm going to just go quickly grab the other. Its counterpart here. This is the OnePlus 15. Okay, so this and this guy. Well, the OnePlus 15R is slightly taller. It is slightly taller. Different case. Oh, for the camera backing open there. Okay, that's pretty neat. But yeah, okay. I didn't think there'd be that much difference. It's got the little OnePlus button that's gonna, what they call it, in there. Neat. All right, now let's take a look at the case. Open it from the bottom. 1 second. Okay, back. Open it up from the bottom. What is this? Got something else in there. Oh. What are those? I'm assuming those if you want to plug up the little holes. Well, that was kind of annoying. I wish I would have had a little bit of a heads up on that because, yeah, that just spilled all over my thing. Okay. So yeah, I'm guessing we can put those little pluggy thingies in wherever you want. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'll have a review up in the next little bit. If you have any questions, shoot away. Thanks.